in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. Hi and welcome to the channel. Let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the C sharp minor, composed of the C sharp, the E, and the G sharp, and the bass note of C sharp. Then we'll have the F sharp minor, composed of the C sharp, the F sharp, and the A, and with the bass note of F sharp. Then we'll have the A major, composed of the C sharp, E, and A, and with the bass note of A. And final chord, the B major, composed of the D sharp, the F sharp, and the B, with the bass note of B. As usual, you will find in the description box a link to access the PDF file associated with this song, so just feel free to download it. So, in this song, you will have one and only chord order that you're gonna have to play in a loop. So let me display the chords for you, and I will teach you two methods. Let's begin by the easiest one, so take the first chord and play it like this. 1, 2. Okay? And then do the same thing for the F sharp minor. 1, 2. A major, 1, 2. And B major, 1, 2. So all played the same way. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you could already be playing and singing that song with that very table and that method. Now for the second method, which is going to be a little bit more complicated, but again, you will only have to repeat that in a loop for the entire duration of the song. So again, take the first chord, and this time count it like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So at 1, you play the bass, 2, nothing, and, which means offbeat, play the chord again, 3, nothing, and 4, chord again. So 1, 2, and 3, 4. And you're gonna wanna do that for all the other chords. So like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 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 So now let me show you how those two methods sound with the lyrics. First method. The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. And repeat. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and then we talk slow. Okay? And you just keep repeating this until the end of the song. Here I'm only singing excerpts because you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. Okay, so that was the first method, and now I will demonstrate how the second method would sound, and since the chord order doesn't change, I will sing you the chorus. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. And repeat. You could have also added the sustained pedal if you wanted to, so like this. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like... And you keep repeating that table. So just choose your preferred method and just play the chosen table in a loop until the end of the song. Good luck to you, and I'll see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.